It's a versatile, feature-rich piece of hardware.
My best companion to use artificial intelligence, robotics, and coding.
What is this futuristic companion that everyone is raving about? Meet Quirky. It's a gesture-controlled robot. No. A smart gardening system? No, wait. An autonomous delivery truck? No. A Mars rover? Actually, it's all this rolled into one.
Hi, Corky.
Hi, Jay.
It's an AI and robotics learning companion for the next generation. Quirky takes children on an exciting journey to explore advanced concepts on AI and robotics with an easy, engaging, and hands-on approach. It is packed with interactive online courses and engaging live sessions that help children to learn, code, and make their own real-world projects. In other words, one Quirky, endless possibilities.